Hi, and welcome to the fitness room. I'm going to show you around. That's the jersey. It took more time to stick up that shirt than to paint. That's the mural that I painted with a little bit of help from my mom and my husband, but mostly myself. I drew it by hand. And it's beautiful now. That's our flag. My mom painted that. The doors, I will paint here, no, here, gonna be one color, here, other colors.